Hello everyone, my name is James, and in this video I will show you how to use our Gank Sheet Builder option 2. Once you have chosen a size for your Gank sheet and click the Create Design button, you will be in this interface here. And in here you can upload images from your computer by clicking this button, adding text and numbers by clicking this button, accessing your previously uploaded design through this panel, as well as having access to your Canva account through this panel here. For this example, I'll just upload an image from my computer. Once your file uploads, you can choose a size for it here and a quantity for it here. And if you want to have the same design in a different size, you can click the duplicate button and change the size of the duplicate. Once you're done, press apply. Then click continue. And as you can see, your Gank sheet is laid out in front of you. You can drag your designs around, drag the corners to change the size, or you can do the same from the panel on the left, as well as being able to duplicate your images. You can also choose how many images it will duplicate with each click. And a quick note, you can remove the background by clicking the Remove Background button. Although this might not work with every design, so make sure to double check. And a side note, please pay attention to our resolution lines. You generally want to have a green outline on your designs for the best results. And if you enlarge your images, the image quality will fall as a result. One thing you might do to combat this is to click the upscale button. What the upscale button does is it tries to increase the image quality of your files, although it might not work with every file and every design. So once again, make sure to double check. Outside of that, you also have access to our tools above, which can do things like flipping your designs, centering them, and much more. You also have the option to change the size of your Gank sheets on the top left corner of your screen. And once you're done editing your Gank sheet, you can click Save and Add to Cart button, and you're all set.